Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at some towels from an Australian brand called Tesalate. This is their workout towel, which is made from a microfiber material and is designed to be compact, quick drying and odor free. Their main product is the beach towel, and that is a bit larger and designed to be sand free and perfect for the beach. I decided to review the workout towel though because it is more compact and I feel it would be better for travelling. I would also like to thank Tesalate for sending me out these towels for review. However, this is a fully independent review. So first of all, taking a look at Tesalate's website, you can see that they have a very wide selection of colors, patterns, and designs to choose from. Some of the designs are only available for the beach towel, while some are only available for the workout towel and vice versa. For this review, I chose the swirl color, which is this black and white zigzag pattern, and the rainbow road, which is the colored lines you see here. These towels measure 100 centimeters by 45 centimeters, which is 40 by 17 inches, which is not quite large enough to fully wrap around your body, but they're actually not designed to be. These are designed to be gym towels, which would be typically used to wear around your neck and to wipe away sweat, or to lay on exercise machines while you're doing workouts at the gym. That's why they actually have two sides, as you can see here. One side is the side you use against the ground, and the other is for wiping sweat and for against your body. In my weeks of testing, I've found that they are indeed quick drying and they don't smell, so the antibacterial coating that they use does work quite well. They do also roll up quite compact and they are easy to carry and hang with the little built-in hook here. However, if I compare it with Cedar Summit's pocket towel, this one is a little bit bigger while packed up, and it's also a little bit thicker and therefore should be more durable if you're using it in the gym for working out. Using these towels to dry off or wipe away sweat is similar to other microfiber towels. The surface is somewhat smooth to the touch, although a little bit textured, and so you have to kind of pat away the wet areas rather than wiping as you would with a normal towel. I would say that it works as well as other towels that I've tried in this regard. But if you're using it to dry your whole body, it might take a little bit longer, as it is a little bit smaller than some other towels like the Cedar Summit towels, which I have here. It actually rolls up to be roughly about the same size as this small linen towel that I got from Etsy, which I reviewed earlier. Overall, I think it's a good towel and comes in a lot of great colors and styles, and it does live up to the promise of being odor-free, and I can see it being an excellent towel for its design purpose of working out. It's probably not the best choice for traveling, but it could be used as a shower or beach towel in a pinch. What's your favorite towel to use while traveling? Do let me know in a comment below, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.